Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So this video I went to one of my favorite places, the Dollar Tree. Okay, got a lot of things, some things to help in the garden, just different things, household stuff, just different things. So I am going to share with y'all what I got and hope that y'all may see something that you like, or you might want to look for at your Dollar Tree and, you know, pick up. I hope it's a helpful video for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright y'all, so right here I got these baskets, these two baskets. They only had two, and these will be good for me to harvest my greens in, okay? For the garden, harvest my greens in. This is, well, you see how big they are, but they nice and sturdy. They was $1.25, so I went on and got them two. I got this for the girls at one point, but I didn't have one, so I got one for me to take in the garden to have my tools and stuff in when I don't want to wear my fanny pack. Then I got this because I know I got a couple things I need to organize, so I just got two of these little baskets. They don't have no handles or nothing on them. I got two things of paper plates for the house. I got three things of paper bowls. Y'all, I saw these when I walked in. I thought they was really cute. I ain't put them on my head yet because I want to wash them first, because I don't know who done tried them on and all that. But these little caps I thought was really cute. So I got this colorful one, a black one, I got this one, and a red one. I got all the colors I saw. Y'all know I always stock up and get these bags right here. They come in handy so much. I tried, Tatiana tried on her cap and gown that came here, and the bag that it came, well, the box that it came in ripped apart, the bag ripped apart. So this came in handy to take one of these out, put it in, so I can make sure it don't mess up before it's time for her to, you know, graduate. So yeah, these come in handy for so many different things. I use them out in the garden, in my shed to hold stuff. Really love them. Been buying them for years. Right here is just pans, cooking pans. Well, you know what I'm saying. These are aluminum pans. I got three more of these baskets. I used to have a green, red, and all that, but I got three of the black ones. They didn't have the red, green, and the blue ones, so I got three black ones. That is for harvesting too. And then I told y'all, every time I go to Dollar Tree, I stock up on my pot holders and my drying mats for dishes or whatnot. So I went on and got four more of the drying mats, so I gotta wash all this. I got two more of the towels, kitchen towels. I always try to stock up on that. Right here, the kids, I told them to go get them three things. So Kylie got this one, this little fan. They like these fans. They are so cute. I used to buy them and decorate the house with them. They are so cute. And then Tatiana got this one right here. That is so cute too. Very pretty. That's one of the one item each they got. So right here I got some plastic cups, some dishwasher liquid, a couple things of paper towels. Tatiana needed another little garbage can for her side of the room, because hers got destroyed with them in there playing and stuff. Kylie still had hers. Ain't nothing wrong with it. So I went on and picked up another one. I got stocked up on some forks and spoons. I always try to keep them stocked up. I don't know which child got the Crunching Munch. I don't know which child got the Wells. I know my son got them wafers because I saw them in his hand. Animal cookies, Teddy Grahams, cheddar fries, barbecue fries, poppy can. I don't know which child has what, but they all have three things. I know one of the girl things are, Kylie got this as one of her things, Ty got this as one of hers, but then they got two things over here. I don't know whose is whose, but they'll figure that out in a minute. Got some light bulbs, because needed some. Got some pepper, these are the peppercorns, some heavy duty tape, and aluminum foil. So that is what was gotten. I think that was everything that was gotten at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, look for these baskets. These they be having But look for these right here, y'all, because this gonna help in the garden. They nice and sturdy. And if you don't want to use it for the garden, look for some. But this is my first time seeing them at my Dollar Tree, so make sure y'all look for those. And then these are some good harvesting baskets too. The black ones right there, that's how they look in there. They good harvesting baskets. So yeah, so I am excited about this haul. I can't wait to use my basket. So y'all, that's gonna be it for this little video. So I hope you saw something, or something reminded you on something you said you was gonna get or whatnot. But it's always fun going to the Dollar Tree. I literally can stay in there pretty much all day. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, mwah. Bye.